For many who want to preserve the furnitures and structure of the house well, they will go for a good dehumidifier. Such dehumidifier will help to preserve the humidity level of the house well and help prevent termites or rust. Do take a look at this dehumidifier, the Ivation ERSDM18 Mini Dehumidifier. This dehumidifier features quiet operation with dehumidifying capacity of 12 ounces a day at 86 degrees F, 80% RH. It measures just 5.9 x 7 inches x 7.16, a perfect choice for spaces up to 200 square feet. It features cutting-edge and efficient Thermoelectric Peltier cooling element. It is designed with 22-ounce water tank for 2 days of non-stop operation as well as auto shut-off on full. It is certainly a great dehumidifier. Check out Ivation ERSDM18 Mini Dehumidifier by clicking on this button today.